Hi there. Today is a good day. It's a little bit chilly outside. It's almost turning into spring out there, but still a little nip in the air. I thought today'd be a great day to make some soup. So I thought, you know, what could I make that I don't make very often? How about Wisconsin beer cheese soup? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be making this with real Wisconsin butter, of course, Wisconsin cheddar cheese. I'll be using some Wisconsin Parmesan cheese, and of course the star of the show, Wisconsin beer. I'll be using New Glarus Spotted Cow beer for this. Let's make some soup. It should be good. We're going to be starting by chopping up some vegetables. We're actually going to be doing pretty much of a fine chop on this. You have to take into consideration what this is going to be used for. It's going to be in a soup, so you'd like to have a little bit of everything on each spoonful, so chop them pretty fine. We have carrots, celery, and some green onions. For the green onions, I'm going to be probably using the first half of these, the white parts for the soup, and then use the darker green for some garnish. Let's start with the carrots. Now for the celery. And now for the green onions. All right, that's looking good. Again, we wanted to have sort of a fine chop on these, and I think we succeeded. So let's get these sauteed and continue on with the rest of the soup. Okay, let's put some butter in here, get it melted, and we're gonna soften these vegetables a little bit here. Not cook them all the way through, just get them a little bit soft so that we can then add them to our stock. Let's add the vegetables. Try not to get too many on the stove. And we'll let these soften up just a little bit. This is coming along really good. I'm now going to add a teaspoon of dried mustard and also a teaspoon of thyme. That's going to add a little extra flavor. I like the mustard in there. It gives a little tang to it. So we're going to let this go just a couple more minutes and then put this off to the side. Let's get our cheese ready to go into the soup. I've made this beer cheese soup several different ways using different types of cheeses. I find that the pre-shredded cheese just doesn't do it in the soup. It's got some sort of coating on it that makes it sort of gritty. So please take some time and shred your own cheese. I have a nice box grater here. I'm going to shred up about a pound of cheddar. It helps if the cheese is pretty cold, and I do have some pretty cold cheddar here. And actually this is sharp cheddar cheese. This is going to add a really nice kick to that beer cheese soup. That's a lot of cheese. Beer cheese soup is a nice thick creamy soup. So we are going to start by making a roux and adding our liquids to it to make sure that we have a nice thick creamy soup. So I'm using about 3/4 of a cup of butter. Once this melts, I'm going to put about 3/4 cup of flour in there and then stir it to make a nice light roux. All the butter is melted, so let's add our flour. And once we do this, make sure you keep stirring this so that nothing scorches. Nothing worse smelling in the house than a burnt roux. So just keep it moving. Okay, to this we're going to add 2 cups of warm milk. A little bit at a time. Stir it in. Get that flour and butter mixed throughout the milk. And at this point we have a paste that we need to add quite a bit more liquid to. I like using a flat spatula for this, just to keep scraping the bottom of the stock pot. Time to start adding our chicken stock, a bit at a time. If possible, try not to spill all over the stove like I just did. I am going to switch to a whisk to make this a little easier to incorporate all the flour into the liquid. And add some more chicken stock. The last of the chicken stock. We'll let this get a little bit hotter, almost up to a simmer. We don't want to boil this. We're going to let this get up to a simmer, and we're going to start adding our cheeses. I'm going to start adding our cheddar cheese in, handful at a time. Let it melt in there a bit, and then add the next handful. Let's add the last of the cheddar cheese in there. This is turning into a nice, beautiful, light yellow, orange soup. This is going to be good. With all this sharp cheddar cheese in here, it's going to taste great, but I'm going to add a little kick to it by taking some Parmesan cheese and using a microplaner and put that in there, sort of as an extra little kick of salty goodness. I found if you just take the cheese from like those green containers, or if you grate the cheese too thickly, it just doesn't melt in here. So using a microplane is the way to go. Time to add the star of the show, some Wisconsin beer. You can probably use any type of beer you'd like. I would stay away from bourbon stouts and maybe sour beers. That would not go very well in this soup. So just a nice light beer, maybe an IPA. Like I said, I'm using New Glarus Spotted Cow. Always one of Wisconsin's favorites. Time to add back our softened vegetables. We'll let all these flavors mingle together for the next half hour. Like I said, don't let this soup boil. Keep it just below a simmer and you'll be just fine. See you in about a half an hour. Time to serve this up. Grab a nice couple ladles of soup. How about a little extra cheese? Can never have enough sharp cheddar cheese. Crispy bacon. And maybe some little greens from those green onions. Can't wait to give this a taste. Beer cheese soup. One of my favorites to make, and one of my favorites to taste too. I don't have it very often. It's not a very healthy soup, so if you're on some sort of diet that requires you to cut back on things, this is not the way to go. I'm only going to have one bowl of this, but it's going to be delicious. Yep, I was right. It's good. First thing I'm getting is that sharp cheddar, and then the tang of the beer is coming through too. Also getting a little crunch from the carrots I put in. Not too bad. Hey, I hope you're having a good day. I am. Wish you all the best. See you next time.